Here it comes.
Here we go.
That I can't see.
It's the red one.
What the
hell?
Give us the mods, man.
Dual filter, different pull starter. We've got single disc on the back.
Exhaust.
Yeah. High float exhaust.
Wait, I'll get a picture of that.
High float exhaust with the cannon.
Whoa.
Then at the front we've got bigger radiator and dual disc brakes.
Bring it in nice and tight. Yeah, that's good. Swing a look. Yeah, that's it. 6 inches, good. Yeah.
No way.
What is he thinking?
Your mum is gonna kill you.
I know. Get the first section.
Right up. You ready?
Yeah, more than ready.